Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. In today's lesson, let's talk exclusively about English language. How can we learn English language with accuracy, fluency, as well as with complete perfection? Following pattern must be kept in mind to get significant results. Number one, start with the basics. Learn the alphabet, basic vocabulary, punctuations, and common phrases. Number two, practice regularly. Consistency is the key to success. Spare ample time each day for four important modules, that is, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Number three, use other resources. Explore textbooks, online courses, language learning apps, English language news, movies, TV shows, and talk shows. Number four, find a language partner. Practice with native English speaker to improve your conversational skills. Number five, join language groups, communities, participate online forums or language exchange groups to ask questions, share your experience, and get feedback. Number six, immerse yourself deeply as much as possible. Change your phone, computer language settings to English. Read English newspapers, periodical. On top of that, think always in English. Be patient and persistent. Learning a new language requires time and relentless efforts. You may experience some hurdles, setbacks, but don't dare to give up. Should focus yourself to attain conducive results. The basics of English language include alphabet. English uses 26 alphabet derived from Latin. Pronunciation. Stay focused that how each letter and combination of letters is pronounced. Grammar. Follow basic grammar rules such as sentence structure, verb conjugation, tenses, and parts of speech, nouns, verbs, adjectives. Enhance vocabulary as much as possible. Use common phrases in daily conversation. Reading and writing. Read simple text, write basic sentences and paragraphs. Listening and speaking. Practice daily to comprehend speaking and communication skills. Use language learning apps daily. Interact with friends daily in English and join conversational groups. Write regularly emails, essays, short stories, etc. Attend language exchange events. Make it a habit to read English books, newspapers, magazines. Embrace mistakes. Don't be afraid to make errors since they are a natural part of learning process. Take breaks. Give yourself a break when needed. Listen to your body and mind. Friends, well-wishers, and acquaintances should make it a daily habit to interact in English language with your friends, relatives, colleagues who are native English speakers or learning English. Make a language exchange arrangement. Join an English language community for learning English. Language meeting groups. Search for language exchange forums. Always look around into the possibilities wherein you can meet native speakers in person. Join language academies, institutes, schools. Ask about language exchange programs. conversational clubs where events are organized for students. Change your environment, your phone, computer, and social media to English. Watch English language shows, movies, YouTube videos, listen English songs, podcasts, audiobooks, and radio stations. Choose appropriate contents that matches your interests and level of proficiency. Start with reading materials that help you gain requisite information for increasing your level gradually. Challenge yourself with more complex text. Travel to study abroad. In case it's possible, travel to an English-speaking country or participate in a study abroad program. Adapt yourself with the prevailing atmosphere. Be positive and energetic. Your positive and continued efforts will bring you all the success, fame, and name within no time. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.